Hey there. My name is John, and I created a league manager for Kill Team and 40K because I like league play and I want to show it off to you. Now, the thought process that went into this is Best Coast Pairings, of course, is the home for all Games Workshop uh, kind of events, but it focuses on events. League play is possible if you do some weird hacks, but it's kind of a bad experience. The organizer has to put in all the scores, it doesn't really work right. And there's other programs out there that are really complicated because they're made for like every game. And then, I've been a part of a couple leagues, and everyone seems to have their own spreadsheet to kind of manage things. So I thought, well, I can code, and I run a league, so why don't I solve those problems? And the goal is to make league play better too. A lot of these apps, I don't want to just be a spreadsheet with matchups, right? I added features in here for lore and stuff like that, but I just can walk you through it. um, I made it compatible with Discord because it seems like Discord is where gamers organize now. So I'm just going to hit continue with Discord, which will log me in to my profile. And right now, I got to do this, got to scroll. And then I'm logged in. So I call it Auspex Fatalis. Auspex Fatalis. So right now I have a league called the CT Crucible. This is our second season of the league. And I just want to show off some quick features. Yeah, this is an ongoing league, which is cool. So this is actually being used today. So right now, the league format is open league play. So you have 12 weeks or a certain set amount of time to play all your matches. I find that works great for people because it's flexible. So it's sort of round robin-y. You don't play everyone in the league in this format, but you have the most scheduling flexibility, which is frankly one of the best parts of league play because you can. I mean, I've got kids, I've got a busy life, but I can get matches in when I can, and that maps match other people's schedules. I can't do weekly nights a lot of times. I can't do full day weekend events. So this kind of works. So I have these matches with a lot of my friends here. You can enter results, of course. I have results. I have a score tracker. Pretty standard stuff that you'd find. I can score the event live, which is shared with my opponent. I put the crit ops in here because if you don't put crit ops, people will ask, so I put that in there. But it's basic stuff. I also put people's Discord handle, so you could go click on it. Everyone's using Discord here, all my buddies. And here I can see my card. I have the people I played, if I won or not, and there's also a sportsmanship rating. I'm gonna give Kevmo. I gave Kevmo here a 5 stars. I'll give Nate here 5 stars because he's awesome to play too. Um, let's see. It's just basic stuff. At the end of the league, you can award somebody the best sportsmanship. I have simple features called standings, so we can see who's number one in the league, where I stand, everything. It's basic stuff. I also do crit op tracking, so you can see if you are number one in the tag op kill op. Now, a lot of the stuff around the league too is based on the ability thing that says like even though you may not be the best player, you can still shoot for like best tag op score, right? Um, so what's interesting too is I also use. Let me go into loadouts. So loadout two is kill team is different, meaning you can have you don't really have a load up per game except for like Angels of Death. But I made it so that you could put down your factions, and if you have Kit Bash, you can put down who they really are. Like my Angels of Death are actually World Eaters models. You can set lists if you really want to set, and also team lore. I have this pretty funny team lore, which is pretty pretty awesome. But the team lore will do things for you. So if you set your Angels of Death as World Eaters and you have team lore, when standings are calculated, you can do a weekly recap that actually brings that team lore and factions into it or into the recap. So like my world eaters have lore baked into it that I have a named character called Hackor, and he's part of the daily recap. So you can see here, I have all these things that happen. People got my first one. I got my first win, and I fought Mandrakes versus Exodite Riders, or this is two people, you know, Kamarag. I never pronounced that. Needs bodies, and this is how they gets them. A fight is a shopping trip. So like there's faction lore that's baked in, so you get these cool recaps of the week to week timelines, everything like that you want in league play. Um, and here, loadout again, you can edit your lore and stuff like that. I have gallery features because Kill Team's awesome. My friend and I played by my pool the other day, which is awesome. People can put their teams. You can nominate your team for best painted too, or mark images as private if you don't want. Like here's a sweet action shot here, and you can't really do this in best coast pairings or other alternatives, but Kill Team's very visual. I love seeing people's armies, so I put in a gallery feature. You can also vote for best painted. If you nominate one of your entries, so this one's pictures by me, I can nominate this for best painted, which we can score at the end of the league. There's caption editing too. That I think that's broken right now, but I'm fixing it. And then there's also quests. So quests are cool because sometimes you're playing a league, you're not going to win. You're not the best player. I know I'm not the best player, but you can do quests. So a quest can be played at a different store than your home store, and if you upload a picture and claim it, you can win. You can also paint and play a new kill team as part of the league and get a point for that, or you can max kill op by tabling your opponent. And actually, here, my friend here, he actually maxed his kill op against me. Awesomely, it was because my Space Marine captain failed a hot roll and died, which is the best way to get tabled. So he got a quest. He got a quest completed, and he's on the quest standings board. It just adds like another dimension to league play, because even if you're not going to win, you can still have fun trying to like max kill op or finish all the quests. There's something to do, right? And there's a player packet. You can write a markdown player packet with all the rules and stuff like that, which is awesome. There's also store sponsorships that could be added. There's also features that organize. There's a light theme in case you don't like dark themes, basic stuff. And one of the cooler things that I have to say I want to show off right away is that I integrated with Discord. Now, League Play doesn't just happen once, it happens all the time. And there's people who get matchups in on random days, there's people getting goals, there's people getting recaps, there's weekly recaps. So like I wanted to post that to Discord. We're all hanging out in Discord talking about the games we love, right? And the communities we love. So here I have a channel in my local game store where the recaps are posted. Now, this I did manually, but the recap uses a lore and posts the weekly recap here. Then here, we got some memes going on about it. I got some cool testing. This is my friend Tucker. He said, "Man, I'm impressed with the developments this season. Season 1 is this weird ultramarine with a million thick coats, and season 2 is this, which is kind of cool that I got this compliment that hopefully this software is better." But then down here, you can see when people complete games, I have a little Discord callback, a little bot that comes out and talks about what happened. The She Wolves is my friend's team. They hunt along Route 91, which is the highway that connects us all. There's also, I had a recap here of a game. Recap here where my squad Volrag, which is named my World Leader squad, the Sidra Drakes, which is my friend's team, go together. So it names them. It's just a cool little way to showcase what's happening. And then here I just added this. So there's a goal that was completed too. So the first completion of the goal. So people get like information about the league ongoing and storylines are created, right? Eventually I'll have like a narrative element to this too. But there's like a huge aspect of league play that's now here. People get reminded. People can see what's going on. Uh, swingy scores are mentioned. Lots of stuff can happen. I won't go to organize and show everybody all the things, but I guess this is a cool place to stop and just show off. I'm really happy with how this is coming out. I'm working on this all the time because while I love league play and I think the software is really cool, and I hope other people enjoy it too. In organize, there's the standard settings you'd find to like invite people, tweak settings, do things. I'm also going to support 40K. I'm going to start a league soon at the local store for 40K and get that dialed in. But yeah, I just want to kind of show this off and see if people are interested in this. Right now, you can sign up for a league. If you sign up for a league today, you'll be probably the first person to ever do it, besides myself. But I would be happy if you did, because yeah, I just want to make this great league software, and I want to make it awesome for people to play more leagues. We can't all make it to tournaments. We can't all make weekly nights, but leagues give you the flexibility, and the software gives you the other angles to play the game besides just trying to win and be number one. You can still have fun chasing after kill out points or something. So I guess that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and sign up. Please check it out. And if you have any questions or something, there's a Discord channel to sign up, or you can email me directly or something. I'm sure we can figure it out. Anyway, take care, and I'll see you on the tables.